Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make curry oil. We'll start by gathering our ingredients and then move on to the simple cooking process. This flavorful oil is a fantastic addition to your kitchen, offering a versatile way to enhance many meals. You'll learn how to combine aromatic spices with a neutral oil to create a fragrant and delicious condiment. Let's get started on this exciting culinary journey. To begin, you'll need about 2 cups of a neutral oil, such as canola or grapeseed, which allows the spice flavors to shine. For spices, gather 2 tablespoons of whole coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, and 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. Don't forget about 5 dried red chilies for a touch of heat. You'll also need a small saucepan and a fine mesh sieve for straining. Now, let's get cooking. Pour your neutral oil into a small saucepan and place it over very low heat. Once the oil is slightly warm, add all your whole spices. Allow the mixture to gently simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. It's crucial to keep the heat low to infuse the flavors without burning the spices. You'll notice the oil slowly changing color and becoming wonderfully fragrant. Once your curry oil has simmered and cooled completely, it's time to strain it. Carefully pour the oil through a fine mesh sieve into a clean, airtight jar. This removes all the solid spices, leaving you with pure, aromatic oil. Store your homemade curry oil in a cool, dark place where it will stay fresh for several weeks. It's perfect for stir-fries, marinades, or simply drizzling over roasted vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.